You're watching Pups Plays, home of ridiculous videos, with your host, Dakota Applegate. And a special guest star, my best friend, Sage.
Finally, I get to lay down. Dakota, honey, what did you do to your room?
What? It looks fine.
Are you serious? You think this looks fine? I don't think so. You need to clean up this mess.
But Mom...
No buts. You need to clean up this room right now.
I don't wanna.
Doesn't matter that it's Sunday. You need to clean up this room.
Fine.
I have a big job today. Yep, you sure do. Now get to it. I'm gonna go make some lunch, so you better hurry up. When I come back into this room, it better be spotless, okay?
Okay.
Do you understand?
No, but okay.
Don't give me back sass. Do you understand?
Yes, Mom.
I'll be back to check on you.
So the things you'll need for this DIY, 2 bottles or cups, any will do, but I just got these cute little Coca-Cola ones, a pair of scissors, some sticks. They don't have to be colorful, but I think they're cute colorful, and a piece of paper. Let's get started. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to get a pair of scissors, your 2 cups, and a pencil or a marker or whatever. Now, let's write to do and done. And done. There. Now let's cut them out. Why is this taking so long? Jeez. Alright, now cut them in half, and let's stick them on. Oh wait, I forgot tape. Don't worry, there's a solution for that. All you need is a container and a sponge. Now I need to go wet the sponge. So, I wet my sponge, and I got some glue and a skewer. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the container. Maybe not, but alright. We're gonna open the container and put the sponge in, the wet sponge. It has to be wet. Then you're gonna get the glue and you're gonna pour it on. Then you're gonna get the skewer, and actually I'm gonna take it out for a second, but you're gonna get the skewer and you're going to spread it. And the reason it has to be wet is so then it'll work perfectly and stay like that. Next, what you'll do is whenever you need it, I'm gonna make this one my done. I'm going to do this. Push it down, lift it up, stick it on. It's basically a label maker. Then let it dry. Same thing with this one. Press it down, take it off, stick it on. And the wet sponge will make sure that it'll stay on there and you can use it multiple times. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your little sticky do and and you're gonna put whatever chore you want to. Like make bed. Make bed. Then you're gonna get your to-do cup and put it in. Then get a different stick, and I'm gonna use a different marker. And you're gonna put a different chore, like take out trash. Trash. I'm gonna abbreviate because there's no room. So take out the trash. Gonna put it in your to-do cup. Then get a different color, and I'm gonna get a different marker. Oh no, I almost marked myself. You're gonna get a different color marker. Why not pink? It's the first one I picked up. And you're gonna put something else, like clean the couch. Clean couch. and put it in the little to-do. And just keep doing that over and over with whatever chore. Alright, so here's your little DIYs, to do and done. I should switch them. Now you're gonna take one, like take trash out. And if you did it, put it in the done. And once you've done all of them, put them all in the done. And the next day, put them back into do. Then, that's your little organizer. It's a cute little reminder that you should keep by your bedside or desk or wherever. And they're really cute, stylish, and really simple to make. Now, let's test them out. All right, little sticks, do your magic. Let's see. Make bed. Let's do that right. Okay, let's see what's next. Put this in the little done. Let's see. Clean couch. All right, let's do that.
Oh, okay.
All right. Couch cleaned. Done. Let's see what's next. Well, actually, let's see the couch first. Beautiful, I know. Okay, couch is done. Let's see what's next. Pick trash off the floor. Let's do it. Hours of cleaning later. Finally done. Look at this place. It's perfect. Yay! Ah, now I get to relax. Wow, honey. It looks really good in here.
How did you do it in such little time?
Well, I made this DIY. It's actually right here. It's the to-do and done list. So you get a bunch of sticks, and I made them colorful sticks because why not? And you get a bunch of sticks, and you label them with the chores that you need to do. And if you haven't done any of them, you put them in the to-do. And once you've done them, say sweep, you put them in the done.
Wow, that's a really good hack. Where did you learn this from?
I made it up.
Thank you for watching this video. This is Sage, my best friend, playing the role of my mom.
I had to put on makeup for this.
She didn't have to. She wanted to.
I wanted to.
I told her to put the glasses on, the scarf,
And
the heels, put a messy bun, and the lipstick. But she added mascara, concealer, and eyeshadow, and all of that. But I actually needed to clean my room anyway, but obviously I don't let it get as dirty as it was in the beginning of the video. I just threw a bunch of stuff down, but this is what it looks like now.
And then the bed and everything.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and turn this bell on my face into this bell on Sage's face. All right, see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.